guys, it's me, Chloe.
And me, Kelly.
Look at my hair, it's like...
I'm just so happy.
I don't know how tall you are compared to me.
Bish.
Now let's see how tall you are compared to me. No, but when you're not on your tiptoes, we're the same height.
When I'm on my tiptoes. I'm on my tiptoes out. For my tiptoes out.
Wait, watch this. This is rubber.
Ears. Just hello.
We're dyeing my hair. Well, we're not dyeing it. We're using hair drop to like drop my hair. What I am. She's doing nothing.
And that's what she's doing.
Oh. Right, I'm finishing licking this now. Why did I even start licking it?
Because you're a widow.
Okay. That's one bit of my hair done. Every 2 minutes, take the butterfly wing. The road leads back to the wall. No, I can not go wrong to be.
You know you can play Spotify while you're doing a YouTube video.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not.
Next, I'm probably gonna do like rainbow on this one. That'll be awesome. But I'm not kidding.
Please, I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light as it shines to the sea.
Yeah? I think it's downstairs. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because that was before she started her work, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It is downstairs because we phoned her before you started your work on the phone.
You need like loads to do this. Sorry.
Okay. I'm just doing my ends at the moment.
I'm going to do my whole. But if you do pick these colours together, it looks awesome.
Else. There's somewhere I cannot go where I long to be. Thanks.
It's okay. What a friend's for. Sometimes you can just like do a tiny bit of each. Until you work in this tomorrow with BBQ. Wait, when did he send you that text?
30 minutes ago.
Probably doesn't even know I'm alive. We're probably gonna kiss again.
Yeah. You know, you just said that in front of YouTube.
I know.
Hear that, guys? I'm gonna kiss my boyfriend.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
If I shout again, I kiss every day. Or more than 3.
It'll be your 5th time.
Oh my god, look at that yellow.
Dad.
The place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. Where would it be? Where's the flower gone?
It's behind there.
Where was it? If I put it here. I would have put it. No, this isn't my one. My one has a stalk on it. That's my one. Sorry if I'm doing this because there's a mirror here. Where I belong to.
Can you pass me a purple?
Yeah. I'll just like come out. Here you go. I'm just gonna do streaks of each colour now. What a speech. slip it right under there. Yeah. Right. That worked.
So that's no good. Don't treat me like a child up to you.
What the? Sorry, it's a song.
I know it. Small bears. Please, but mother, please. Give me that rest.
Dum ba dum ba dum ba dum ba dum. Did it work?
Yeah.
Mama, you tell me what you want. Your mama's dancing on you.
Show me this interesting.
She showed me a twist and right shot.
Cause she could always and so twisted down.
Yeah. Okay, that's done. I'm going to do a bit more pink. Let's see yours.
Well, I'm not done yet.
Mommy told me once. Turn it one. Because I just want to be
It looks a bit like the Union Jack flag. It does a bit.
Doesn't really work under her hair.
I'm going to try the white.
White will probably make you look like an old gran. No offense, old grannies. Mom, you always told me what was right. Can I just
Once
want
again.
it? Oh. Oh, we're only on 7 minutes.
So twisted too.
Now I'm like, Gidget, I gotta get you wrong. No. Say, oh, I wasn't supposed to get more wrong. What?
What caravan? I'm being the smart one here.
No. Okay.
It calls me, and no one knows far it goes. I wonder why. Feel the beat.
I am finished.
I am not finished.
I know, I take forever doing my hair.
I got 1 on this side and 3 on that side.
I'm doing my back as well, that's why.
You're so twisted too. Now that I'm a Gidget, I gotta get so wrong.
Say, oh, you don't. I wasn't Miss Bolt. If you've ever watched Hairspray, or Hairspray Live, or the... Hi! Or any Hairspray.
Yeah.
Then go watch it. Okay, bye.
You right, Sophie?
Oh, of course I am. I'm doing a video too, and this is my... If you didn't know, this is the Two Terrific Twin. A Two Terrific Twin.
Yeah, so we've got 2 channels with 3.
Yes, I'm plugging my channel. So, Kelly's, so my twin channel is called The Two Terrific Twins with Kelly and me, Chloe. And, so my channel that I'm videoing on right now is, Chloe the Dancer, and Kelly's is Kelly_the_dancer. And if you think my hair is wet right now, it's because I've just been videoing me dyeing my hair, like hair chalking my hair. So green, red, blue, and purple.
Anyways, if you hear us say Lily, that's what we call her, Lily, just for short. And they call me Megan and Kelly Eric.
So plug your channel on my channel.
Okay. Oh. Hi. Okay, anyways.
So what's your channel called?
So my channel is called Sophie the Gymnast. And you already know it's Two Terrific Twins. And I'm doing a video on my camera. Yeah. And that's it.
Yeah, so that's all we've got for this video, but why am I talking American? So that's all we got for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do my hair. You can't really see it anymore.
Anyways, guys.
So, bye guys!